Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your existing account on Tradingview. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in tradingview.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official Tradingview website. Now from the homepage, click on the account icon at the top right corner and you will see the sign in button. Go ahead and click on it and this will take you into the login portal. Now if you used your Google or your other social media accounts to sign up for your account in the first place, then you can click on these respective buttons. Otherwise, click on email and you will be asked to enter your email or your username. You can enter either one of these within the email or username box and then enter your account password underneath within the password section. Finally, click on the sign in button and you will be logged into your Tradingview account right away. In case you have forgotten your password, click on the I forgot password or can't sign in button and you will be allowed to reset your credentials. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log into your existing account on Tradingview. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.